So let's get started. Now I must remind you, if you ever attempt to do these labs, you need to make sure that you have adult supervision, because safety always comes first. We're going to be dealing with very hot water today. So here I have an empty milk jug, and I have some boiling water. Now I'm going to take this boiling water and pour it into the milk jug. You can see this water is very, very hot.
Không mắng. Một chăn, không phải chăn màu hồng là được. Chăn màu hồng của ông mắng.
I'm going to turn off my heat source. I'm going to put the lid onto this jug. Now when I put this lid on, it closes this jug so that no air can leave the jug and no air can enter the jug. Now this very hot water right now is heating up the air inside this jug. It's making all the air inside this jug very hot because this water is so hot. Now for the next part of our experiment. Here I have a cooler. Inside the cooler is ice. I'm going to take this milk jug, put it inside the cooler. I'm going to kind of pack some ice around it and put the lid on. Now, since this cooler is very cold because of the ice that's in it, it's going to cool down the jug. Now, what do you think will happen? Well, we need to wait just a few minutes, and then we'll open it up and take a look. Well, it's been a few minutes. Let's take a look inside of this thermos. Look what has happened to the jug. See how it's scrunched up? Almost like someone stepped on it. Well, what happened? Has to do with temperature and air pressure. When we put this jug with the hot air inside of it into this cool thermos, the cool ice cooled down the temperature of the air inside the jug. And this changed the air pressure. And since the air pressure inside the jug was lower than the air pressure outside of the jug collapsed. So you can see that changes in temperature can change air pressure. Now, what's one reason why we'd want to study air pressure? Well, one reason is that changes in the air pressure cause changes in the weather. So I want you to remember that the atmosphere